In an unprecedented move blending lifestyle, culture, and education, the Vanchi government has introduced a policy encouraging restaurants and cafes to include an educational component in their daily functioning. The initiative is designed not only to elevate the city's intellectual environment but also to make learning an enjoyable part of everyday life. Dining meets learning. Under this initiative, restaurants and cafes across Vanchi are transforming into informal classrooms and knowledge-sharing hubs. Patrons are no longer just customers enjoying food and beverages, they are participants in a living network of education. Some of the ways eateries are integrating education include live presentations and talks. Citizens can sign up to give short talks or presentations on diverse topics, ranging from science and history to personal finance and environmental awareness. Debates and discussions. Select venues host structured debates, where diners can listen in or join, making their evening both thought-provoking and interactive. Murals and posters. Walls are adorned with bright, engaging murals and posters highlighting educational content, mathematical formulas, scientific breakthroughs, historical events, or even motivational life lessons. Educational television. In quieter lounges, television screens play carefully curated educational videos, documentaries, and explainers, offering passive yet enriching engagement. Sign language mode. Recognizing that not all spaces are quiet, cafes with lively atmospheres introduce sign language-based modules, an innovative way to spread awareness about inclusivity while also turning noise into an advantage for visual learning. EduCafe Company, the backbone of the initiative. To power this initiative, the Vanchi government has helped establish EduCafe Company, a company specializing in educational engagement for hospitality venues. EduCafe Company provides professional educators and speakers to conduct sessions, creative designers who craft murals, charts, and posters tailored to each venue's vibe, learning modules that cafes and restaurants can rotate weekly, ensuring fresh and engaging content. Sign language educators who not only spread knowledge but also raise awareness about communication accessibility. With its structured support, EduCafe Company ensures that education becomes seamlessly integrated into the dining experience, without burdening business owners. A cultural revolution in the making. Vanchi's initiative is more than a policy, it's a cultural shift. By embedding learning into leisure, the government envisions a society where education is no longer confined to schools and universities but is instead woven into the very fabric of daily life. Mayor Pawan Chandra, speaking on the launch, said, "Our city is vibrant and curious. With this initiative, we want to nurture a culture where knowledge flows as freely as conversation over a cup of coffee. Education should not be a task, it should be a lifestyle." Early impact. Several cafes have already adopted the initiative with resounding success. Customers report that the atmosphere feels more stimulating, while owners note an increase in repeat visits, as people come back not just for the food but for the ideas. Young professionals, students, and even retirees are finding common ground in these learning spaces, fostering community bonding and intellectual growth. Conclusion. The EduCafe initiative positions Vanchi as a pioneer in blending education with everyday urban life. By transforming restaurants and cafes into centers of casual yet meaningful learning, the government is setting a powerful example of how cities can promote knowledge culture. In Vanchi, education is no longer something you schedule, it's something you seep, savor, and share.